Have you ever heard of Opposite Day? Opposite Day is a game you play with friends where you pretend that everything happening around you is actually the opposite of what it seems. So silly! Have you ever done this? When I play this game, sometimes I say goodbye when I'd usually say hello, or hello when I'd usually say goodbye. This game really makes my friends and I laugh. But did you know that you can celebrate this game by making a whole day out of it? You can celebrate Opposite Day by doing lots of things you wouldn't normally do, as long as they're safe and fun. It's a great way to try something new. You can wear colors or patterns you're not used to wearing, listen to music that seems different than what you'd usually listen to, or even eat food that you used to think you didn't like. You never know how exploring opposites might surprise and delight you. Happy Opposite Day! To enjoy our library of over 300 classroom videos, please visit www.wondergrovesocialskills.com or scan the QR code.